How to remove red eye from photos in Gimp. There are two ways to do that. Easier way is to go here on filters and then go here on enhance and then go here on built-in red eye removal. And here you can see it automatically removed the red eye. Here you can play with the opacity as you can see here. Okay, you can also play with the threshold as you can see here. But problem with this method is you actually have to deal with the side effects. As you can see here, it actually changed entire photo. So better way to do this to actually click here on pre-select tool and then simply make a circle selection around the eye. Simply left click on the mouse taster and then simply drag that here. As you can see, I'm actually making this circle. Of course, you will make this better. And now go here on colors, go here on hue, saturation, and then because this is a red eye, I will choose a red color and then simply play with the saturation as you can see here. Also with the lightness I can play like this, and also with the hue as you can see I'm playing with the hue. So just make it to look as natural as possible, as natural as possible color of the eye of this person, and then just click here on OK and then click here on select none, and that's it. You change the color of the eye of this person. As you can see, it is not red anymore. Of course, you will do this better as I said. So this is how to remove a red eye from photo in Gimp.